Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to connect Stripe to Shopify. To start this tutorial, make sure you've logged into myshopify.com in your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once you're here, click on the gear icon on the lower left that says Settings. Now scroll down. And then on the billing information, click on Edit. This will show you your business address as well. First, input the details from legal business name to your country or region, the address, the apartment, suite, and etc. Put in the city as well and the postal code. Once done, scroll up and then go to Payments. Once you are in Payments this time, click on Payment Providers. In here, click on the button that says Choose a Provider. In here, you'll be using the search bar, and then you're going to look for Stripe. Just type it in with your keyboard. Then, tap on Stripe. It may be unavailable in my country. However, in your case, it could be. Now let's wait for the website to finish loading. Now get started with Stripe. Just create an account so that you'll be partnered with them. And then click on continue and then follow the next few processes. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.